What's going on, guys? In today's video we are doing the alternator. So this is the alternator I got, Rock Auto. It's the number for it. It's a regular 70 some dollar alternator. So right now what I'm doing is I just took out this big bolt. This bolt, well, you know, it goes through here, and it's only a 2 bolt, which is this bolt and this one. This is the one that slides, because this one goes over this, and then you slide it this way, and then you tighten that bolt there in the bottom. But right now I'm taking it off, and I just wanted to show you guys that I'm doing that and show you what I'm doing. And let's see if I can get a tripod. I guess I'll put you right there, guys. Hopefully you can see. It's kind of hard, you know. Get this out of the way, I guess. Yeah, I know there's wires and shit. I don't know what the hell this wire's for. But let's take off this screw. I soaked it with WD-40. I don't know why nobody doesn't use WD-40 anymore. They just go all dry at it. Take this belt off. Jeez. It's fine threads. Take forever. And I have it disconnected the back. Damn, that thing is hard. I got my little gun. Got this huge one. Damn, and then it's broken too. Freak it. I'm just gonna do it by hand. It's broken. So it doesn't stand there. I need to buy those. It's starting to get hard. I wonder if it's a screw or I don't even know anymore. Ah, it's fucking hurting. Let's see. That's a sharp bolt. Damn, it gets really hard and it doesn't want to come out. Maybe it needs to go more. It's like stuck or something. Oh, that's not working. I'm gonna have to get the little wrench. Electric ratchet, that's what it's called. Oh, took my shit. Give it back. Gotta whip freaking bolt doesn't want to come out. Is it stuck on the alternator? It's like it's too big for the alternator, the bolt, and they shoved it in there, hammered it in there. And now it doesn't want to come out. Fuck. Well, that sucks. You gotta walk it out all crooked a little. Damn, man. Jeez, look at all that crap in there. There's like no threads left because it was actually hard to take out too. Okay, guys. Let's put it like this so we can see how it works. How it's connected. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that's the ground. Oh, that's the ground. Oh, it doesn't connect it up there. Let's get the new one. Pause, you guys. Alright, guys, so this one's the battery. We're gonna loosen that one. It came with a new one. Okay. And then these just pop off. Just like that. Take this old sucker out. This one has two pulleys. A two pulley. Ooh, this one comes with a new bolt in the bottom. Okay. So how did it go? I already forgot. So this one goes obviously there. This one goes there. Let's get the bolt for that new one. Oh, nice. The other one was zinc coated. Do I want the other one? It's old though. Ooh. Yeah, because that'll rust. And the zinc one is just dirty and it didn't rust. So, you get over here. That's where you go. So if I can do this, guys, you can do this. Just do it like this. Boom, 3 bolt, 3. That's why I love this damn truck. It's freaking easy to work on. But you need to get 1977 and down because it'll survive from the EMP attack. 79, 78, 79, and you know, all the way up to now, it won't survive the EMP attack. So yeah, if they do one. Not too tight, just tighten it up. Okay. Now, guys, I'm gonna clean the bolt and then I'll put the alternator on because it's so dirty and nasty. You guys want to see it again? And look how freaking like sharp it was. With the dirtiness, you can't even see the threads. So I'm gonna go clean it, put it back on. Jeez Louise, guys, I had to get a pick. Clean all those threads, man. Nasty. The phone won't. Yeah, I won't get it. Hands hurt. Okay, dokie. Let's see. This sucker's gotta go. Like that. Oh, it snaps. Oh yeah, look how smooth that goes in. Oh my goodness. The one in the bottom of these two. Ooh, it's gonna have to jump on it. Be a little bit closer to the timing chain. Or should I screw it off? Let me put the bolt in. See. Damn. Oh, it's hard to go. I think I'm gonna need a little spacer on the, like maybe a fingernail wide spacer. I don't know if you guys can see it. Let me show you guys. You see that spacer right? That space right there. I'm gonna have to put a couple thick washers. But that's it, guys. I'm gonna stop it here. It's gonna I'll show you a quick video of me turning it on and charging. Right now it was at 11. I think you saw it the last time. But yeah, I'm gonna get it on and I'll record a video of it working, hopefully. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.